Hi friends, check the model number below in the description. So this is the branded product, very sleek, stylish, lightweight, advanced technology, easy to use, lot of features, easy to handle, and one more thing, less maintenance. So guys, I'll tell you the review. Here is the details. Check the model number below. So this is a very nice product which speaks out the brand name. So check the brand name. And next is in terms of quality, durability, appearance is a great. So delivery was on time and service given by the company is also appreciable. Great product in this range, value for money. So check more details below in the description. Thanks watching this video. Stay updated, stay tuned. Thank you.